If your Chevy Traverse just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, let's troubleshoot the root cause in under 3 minutes. Statistics show that 80% of no-start issues on this vehicle are caused by simple battery or terminal failures. Before you call a tow truck, follow this systematic approach to isolate the electrical fault. Start by cleaning your battery terminals and checking the ground straps, as these are the most common culprits for power loss. Beyond the battery, pay close attention to the starter relay or a seized starter motor if you hear a clicking sound. If power is solid, the issue might be a faulty brake pedal sensor or a security lockout, preventing the engine from engaging. You can easily handle terminal cleaning and relay swaps at home, but major electrical harness work belongs in the shop. Here is the typical cost breakdown for these repairs, keeping in mind that labor rates vary significantly by region. If you have a multimeter, perform a voltage drop test on the main cables to rule out hidden internal wiring corrosion. Ensure you have the right tools on hand, specifically a reliable multimeter and a basic OBDI scanner, before diving into the engine bay. Remember, never force a crank if you smell burning, as that indicates a dangerous short that requires professional attention immediately. Start with the basics, stay safe, and subscribe for more Traverse troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.